Blue Merinos, look what we're about to make. Y'all, we are making the bow that's going with our new Witch Swag kit. So if you haven't seen that video yet, just ask for it here in the comments. We'll be happy to share it with you. But this is the bow that coordinates with it. And you get all these ribbons in the kit. So we've got a velvet, and that adds this really nice texture, a harlequin, and then I love these 3/8 ribbons that are wired because they add all this whimsy. And this has a little bit of metallic iridescence thread in it. I love that combo because we have some glitter that we have in the background of our swag. This is one of our easy, simple projects that we have kits for, and you can make right along with us. Hey, if you don't ever want to miss a video, you make sure and get on our text list, right? Because 832-734-5201, you add that right to your phone, you text us over, send VIP, 832-734-5201, text us VIP, and then you are on the list. And you would be getting a text right now so you wouldn't miss this video. So in order to make this bow, I kind of want just a really fun tails up, tails down bow. So those are called funky bows is what we call them. So I'm just going to angle cut the first edge of the ribbon, and we'll just put our little pieces off to the side. And I like to go with 8-inch tails. Feel free to use your own creativity and go bigger or smaller, whatever you want to do. But I like just 8-inch on this because I want her body to kind of get to stand out in the bottom of the swag. And I'm going to go 6 inches and twist, and I'm going to keep this nice and loopy. 6 inches on the right. Now, if you've never seen one of our videos and you're brand new here, make sure you take a second to like and follow and subscribe, do all the things, because it helps us get pumped out to more viewers and helps us grow. And the more we grow, the more I can put out free content like this for you. And you can learn from us. And of course, the ultimate way of supporting us as a business is to come out and purchase from our website, our kits. Of course, when you are ready, you've got to come join Design School, where I teach you how to do this on your own and get creative in your own ways. And you learn all the tips and tricks, and you get to be in a great community of other creatives who enjoy doing exactly what we're doing. Isn't that fun to be in a group like that where you're just in there with like-minded people who enjoy creating? Now, this black velvet, I love mixing textures. It's super valuable in order to create depth in your arrangements. And we're always doing that in Design School. We're learning how to mix and match. So I've got 2 loops up here, 1 here. This is a 2-1 so far. All of our tails are at 8. And then I'm going to come in with my little fun 5/8 ribbon, and we're just going to go to town on this. I'm just going to trim this off to get a fresh cut, and we're going to let that go up. And then you just go loop-de-loop-de-loop. Yeah. I'm going to do these at 5. You do need to hold it just a little bit while you're looping it around. I think they're just so cute. And don't forget, in our kits, you get the whole roll of ribbon. So you will have extra that you can play with. And look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm going to bring that tail down. Cut that off. Excellent. Now we're ready to take it off the bow maker. I'm going to take my cable tie, just run it right beside these guys. Add some pressure, bring it up. And now I'm going to rotate this around. Now I want to just take and really get this fluffed up and separate it out. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love this when it all starts to come together. And I want you to notice all the dimensions. Super important in not only designing the bows, but in your wreaths, your centerpieces, your arrangements. Super, super important. Now you need a way to attach it to your swag, so I'm going to add my cable tie to the back. And then this one that's going across is how we're going to put it on our swag. When you see that video, you'll understand exactly what we're doing. Okay, down the middle, you can pick whatever pattern you want. I'm going to go with our little stripe. And I just cut probably about a 12-inch piece of this. We're going to run that right down the middle to hide all of our mechanics, always integral part in the design process. I'll put a couple of knots back here. And then I want you to take these little ribbons and just curl them around your finger, okay? Just curl it around, do a little ringlet, like if you're doing a little bit of little ringlet on the curling iron. You know. All right, bring that one down, and now you bring that out. Look how cute. And I'll do the same thing here. Just gonna curl that one around. I love when the 5/8 ribbon, or the 3/8, no, this is 5/8, is curled and wired. Because if it's wired, you can curl it, is what I'm trying to say. Isn't that super cute? So a simple little bow, and you can elaborate, add more loops to yours if you want, but I know this is going to go perfect on my swag. So, hey, don't forget to get on that text list. I promise you, you're not going to miss a video if you do that. Anytime something new comes out, we text you and we let you know. Everything is generally seasonal, but we do a lot of pieces in the off seasons that fill in for all year long. So if you are new, we truly welcome you to our channel or our pages or wherever you're seeing this, because this is my passion, to create beautiful pieces and make it super easy where you can make beautiful things for your home. So I've had fun with you. You guys go have fun with flowers. This is Khalees signing out, and I will see you next time. Bye, Bloomerinos.